Hello coders, AI enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have seen a lot of buzz around drawing the code of Google Gemini. But hold on, Gemini isn't a program with traditional code you can visualize. Let's dive in and understand what Gemini is and how it can empower your coding journey. So what is Google Gemini? Imagine a super-powered research assistant and collaborator rolled into one. That's essentially Google Gemini. It's an advanced AI model under development, capable of analyzing information, understanding natural language, and generating creative text formats. Now I'm going to answer why can't we draw Gemini's code. Unlike traditional software with lines of code, Gemini is built on complex algorithms and machine learning models. These aren't things you can put on a whiteboard. However, that doesn't mean there's no way to understand how it works. So how can Gemini help you code? So these are some ways through which Gemini can become your coding partner. First, brainstorming and problem solving. Stuck on a coding challenge? Describe the problem to Gemini and it can suggest creative solutions, different approaches, or even alternative algorithms. Second, code completion and generation. Imagine typing a function name and having Gemini suggest the next lines of code based on your syntax and context. While this functionality is still under development, it holds immense potential for efficiency. Third, natural language code explanations. Struggling to grasp a complex piece of code? Explain it to Gemini in plain English and it might be able to break it down for you in simpler terms. Important caveats. So it's crucial to remember that Gemini is still under development. While it can be a helpful tool, it shouldn't replace your coding expertise. Always double check any code it suggests and ensure it aligns with your project's specific needs. The future of AI-assisted code is bright. As Gemini evolves, it could become an even more powerful tool for streamlining development workflows, fostering creativity, and making coding more accessible. So how you can prepare for this exciting future? Stay curious, experiment with AI tools like Gemini responsibly, and keep owning your coding skills. Let me know in the comments below how you imagine AI impacting the coding world. Until next time, happy coding!